What is the name of the longest bone in the human body? Femur. What is a group of dolphins called? Pod. In which direction does the sun set? West. How many minutes are in 2 hours? 120. What kind of scientist studies the weather? Meteorologist. How many zeros are there in the number 1,000,000? 6. How many milliliters are in 1 liter? 1,000. How many bones is a baby born with? About 300. Which chamber of the heart pumps blood to the rest of the body? Left ventricle. What expensive spice comes from the bark of a tree? Cinnamon. Which gas do humans mostly breathe out? Carbon dioxide. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is the capital city of Spain? Madrid. What is 400 minus 125? 275. Which planet is known for its prominent rings? Saturn. Which large ocean mammal has a tusk giving it the name sea unicorn? Narwhal. How many legs does an insect have? 6. In which country can you find the ancient Machu Picchu ruins? Peru. On which continent is the Amazon rainforest mostly located? South America. Which ancient civilization used hieroglyphs for writing? Egyptians. What is the official currency used in Mexico? Peso. What is a group of crows called? Murder. Which eye color is the most common in the world? Brown. Which animal is the national symbol of the United States? Bald eagle. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. What is the fear of spiders called? Arachnophobia. What tool is used to measure temperature? Thermometer. Where is the famous city of Venice located? Italy. What does the letter O in H2O represent? Oxygen. Which gas is essential for plants to perform photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Which number is the smallest prime number? 2. What is the name of the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. What is the most popular sport in India? Cricket. Which cells in the eye help you see in low light? Rods. Which part of a plant makes food through photosynthesis? Leaves. What is water's freezing point in Celsius? 0 degrees C. Which country is famous for its large Great Wall? China. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Portuguese. Which chess piece can only move one square at a time? King. In which decade did World War II end? (1940s). Which element is represented by the symbol AU? Gold. What is a group of owls called? Parliament. How many days are in a standard year? (365). Which element is needed to burn or start a fire? Oxygen. Which element is found in diamonds? Carbon. Which country has a flag featuring the maple leaf? Canada. What kind of creature is a dolphin? Mammal. Which part of the eye is the colored part? Iris. What is a word called that sounds the same as another but has a different meaning? Homophone.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.